We're already tracking the next storm system coming in, and this is something to watch for Friday. The timing is still a little uncertain, could either begin late Thursday night or sometime during Friday morning, and the timing will make all the difference to know if it impacts the morning commute or if it's more of a daytime event on Friday. But it is a steady snow with temperatures at or below freezing, so it's going to stick, and at this point we are expecting at least a few inches of accumulation. About 1 to 3 inches of snow could fall across the Baltimore area. There's always room for these numbers to go up, but we'll start with this number here. Knowing that you're at least going to have an impact to the roads on Friday. Even heavier amounts are expected in the higher elevations of western Maryland.